Hi, and welcome to Module 5. Now, this afternoon, or today's module, we're all about the build process. So we've gone through all of the effort on the last modules to get you to this point, and now the build process starts. So we've picked our house, we've picked the colours, we've done all of that in Module 4. Now we've got to start the on-site build. That revolves a lot of key stages. The total build, start to finish, on a good day 12 weeks, on a bad day 15 weeks. So let's budget on about 15 weeks. But that puts us up to milestones. We've got to work out who's who in the zoo, because the council, the builder and the supervisor have to manage these key stages. So we've got to manage the process of keeping this on time and on budget. And I'll jump down here because the costs of the builder, the way we do it is fixed price. So when you sign that contract and that builder says, I'll put that house on that block of land for say $400,000, that's how it's got to come out. And that's our commitment to you. We're going to hold your hand through that whole process so that that works. Now, once they start building, the builder, the bricklayers, the carpenters, the roofers, the gardeners, all of those people have all got to be paid. So that's what we call progress claims. So as each of the build stages gets finished, people have got to be paid, and that's fair and reasonable, as I'm sure you'd understand. And so what is a progress payment? What is the claim schedule? And then we've got to sign off on those schedules. So we give you a schedule of the build contract, we call it, and we work through how that works. Now, the building contracts have got to be inclusions. So all of the things that are going to go inside and outside. And remember, I just said that builder's cost, it's a fixed price. So once that's fixed in, nobody can change it. So we don't want any hidden extras. Now, on our weekly live webinar, the homework for this week is we're going to get that contract signed with all of these things included in it. We'll help you hold your hand through all of that. We're going to get the builder's contract signed, again, with all those key stages and the progress claim stages all worked into that contract, and then all finalised and ready to go. So that's our homework for this week, and I'll explain that in detail when we meet at the webinar. Thanks a lot.